better environment, better tomorrow. Save life, save earth. Cleaner, cleaner. Thinking, thinking. Mr. Plastic. Share a that. Say no to plastic.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Which day we are celebrating today?
Green Day. Green Day.
Green Day and also World Environment Day. What is this?